running around. It's snowing outside.
Sheesh.
We didn't do nothing yesterday. And today, we're about to smash. I'm hungry. So, before we get into what we're going to be eating, let's tell you what we have. So, I have...
What's up?
What's up?
What's happening?
SNS TV, back with another MukBang video.
Yeah, and this time we got Longhorn
salad with some spicy chicken bites that I'm going to mix together. And then for my entree, I have pork chops with broccoli and loaded mashed potatoes. No onions. Hate onions. And then Babe has...
I thought you was going to introduce. You know, you're going to introducing. So go ahead.
Okay, so for his appetizer, he's got these, what are they called? They're basically chicken wings, steakhouse wings. And then he's got a full rack of ribs with asparagus and mashed potatoes. And then he's got his buffalo sauce.
Loaded mashed potatoes.
Yes,
you feel me? They gotta be loaded.
Loaded.
You know what I mean? They ain't truffle to make sure they loaded. Y'all can see that? I don't know if y'all can or not, but...
It's so good.
Alright, smash! Yeah, I ate all day.
It's been a long day. We have been running since 2 o'clock. And then we came home and we tried to clean up as much as we could. And now we just about to eat the asparagus. I never had asparagus. Is it good?
I mean...
They put a lot of... Oh, there's... I didn't know this came with them scallions.
So picky.
I'm not. We just don't do the onions. No type of onions. No type of beans.
There are ribs right there. I don't know what kind.
It smell good.
Kind of rub they got on there. I should got a plate or something.
Get a plate then, babe.
Nah, it's a mukbang. We dug it out. You feel me?
Plug it out. But this sauce is
Things a ranch. Because you know me. Your boy. Gotta have ranch.
Put that sauce up on there. Gotta get lost in the sauce, babe.
Yeah, these smack.
What, those potatoes? Thought we was doing appetizer. Oh, we got some bread too, y'all. Thought we was doing appetizer than entree.
Oh, my bad.
You over here making up your own stuff.
Straight to the entree, you feel me? And I'm comfortable. I'm slouched down, you know, real relaxed. Look at that.
Oh, we was gonna use the knife, babe. Ain't want no butter on
Use
the
a knife. We home.
Yeah, I know, but...
You feel me? We is home. Who we ready to put on the show for?
Our subscribers.
Y'all be having seafood mukbangs and your juice be all smacking in the camera. You feel me?
I need you to move over some. You got all this elbow room. Oh my gosh. It is that good. Oh, and we also have our Minute Maid.
It's really a full rack of ribs too, like.
The whole container is full.
Your boy ain't gonna play. I'm not gonna play. Feel me? That really gets in them ribs.
Them juice though.
Really gets in them ribs.
I love Longhorn's bread. It's so good.
Can I get some elbow room? I mean...
I'm already... You got the whole table, babe. Where you want me to go? Oh my goodness.
It's good.
Yeah, I haven't even started yet. I'm just eating the bread. I'm so hungry. We literally didn't wake up until like 1 o'clock. And then we started getting ready for the day. Left out. Came back. We got here like what, like 7? I'm trying not to spill this juice.
Shout out to our 500 subscribers. You know?
Woo woo! We is on the road. That butter was maybe a little bit better.
And we watched that first mukbang with the tacos.
We ain't had tacos in a minute neither.
You know, this is ready to be real.
Oh, Oh my god, I
On the
can't.
top
My
part.
mouth is watering because this is just.
You ain't even start.
I
My bad.
like to pace myself.
You
I
right.
can't just.
I need to
dig
slow
in.
down.
You're gonna have a bellyache. Spicy chicken bites though. Oh my god.
So that means you probably ate today though.
Me?
You probably ate something.
We just brought the paper towel. Can I taste my
So what
wings?
sauce is that?
For my spicy chicken
It's the
bites.
same as that?
Can I taste one of them wings?
How you know?
Cause that's buffalo. This is not buffalo.
No, that's not buffalo.
It's not.
Mm-mm.
This is my sauce.
But it's cool. You can try
Why
that.
you give me this? Why you ain't give me the flat ones? You know I
Because you
don't do the
didn't
drums.
ask.
I don't do the drums. Can I have a flat
But
one?
you didn't ask. You
Oh,
feel
this
me?
is your buffalo.
See?
That's my sauce.
It's like sweet.
That's my spicy chicken bite. That's buffalo.
Mm-hmm. That's good. It's a little sweet though. Oh no, it
It
ain't
tastes
buffalo.
like regular wing.
Right. You was like, oh, you look so good.
They did. It be that
It looked
advertising.
like jerk or something.
Yeah, that's why I thought it would be a. Tastes like it's from Domino's. You know when they be soft, like real soft. It ain't bad.
Oh, it ain't so.
Our anniversary is next month, you guys. We're going on 3 years. Ah! Why you give me that look? I'm a little excited. We're actually gonna be off on a day, on the weekend, on a Saturday. We got these plans. We just want to be so nice. Of course, we're gonna vlog some of it.
Let me show y'all. Stay tuned.
Try the spicy chicken bites.
Hmm?
Try them. Here.
I'm still smashing the asparagus.
You gonna let me taste one? Oh my god, I'm scared.
They make your piece thing.
I don't know if I want. Is it good? Do I eat? Doesn't matter.
The whole thing. Have that ever
I don't
let
like
me know.
It. I don't like that. I
You
don't
gotta
like it.
eat it, man.
I ate it. I don't like it.
But you eat Brussels sprout and stuff.
I've never had Brussels sprouts. They smell like feet if they're not cooked right, but
But anyway.
that's nasty.
Wow.
They smack them, right? I said, did you want to try some? You left me 2 of them.
That's 4.
He eating all my stuff. Get off.
I'll throw it in there. But yeah. Let me know. Well, don't let me know. But do any of y'all peas stink when you eat asparagus? I know it ain't just me.
His stuff be rocking.
How you know?
Because when you eat asparagus, the smell is different. It's a different
Tell me,
smell.
but tell them how you know though.
Cause I be in the bathroom with you.
Trifling.
We have toilet talks, you guys.
Wow.
Don't judge us. We know other couples do it too.
What? They probably like that ain't nothing. It's a lot of ribs.
Good thing it's not a contest.
Wow, I won.
You would. My pork chops.
It's cool too. But
So good. I want to rip this off because I just feel like the top is just unnecessary to be on it like that.
she just now getting to her pork chop.
Oh, snaps. Ew.
But look, I still got 2 whole ribs left. Like, No bull.
See, that's sauce.
Asparagus. Still got the wings up here, don't it? But we found that other battery was looking full, so yeah. But
What was it looking for? It was like you blended it all together.
that we were looking for.
But comment down below what your favorite food is from there. So if we haven't tried it, we can try it. See if we like it.
Minute Maid fruit punch. It be hitting.
That's broccoli got
It's one of them joints your mother used to keep upstairs in the refrigerator.
when she hide them from you. Look at that push out. Oh my god. I got 2 of them. I'm not gonna eat that one till tomorrow. But it's cool.
I'm still eating these loaded potatoes.
They definitely jit me. Look at this.
What?
Look at this. It's like they jit me with the potatoes. It's a whole flat thing on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool though.
I thought it was gonna be an actual baked potato.
Oh. They had that too. You could have got a loaded baked potato.
That's what I thought it was gonna be.
But these potatoes would still be good.
Mm-hmm. See where mine at?
This one's thick. They gave me 2 different sizes. That's why. It's the thick one. And this the thin one. This is what
That's a
I...
nice size though.
Yeah. It's okay. It ain't on that though.
What, the size?
Just the cut of the meat. I mean the taste. My bad. That's the cut. Babe,
Look at that red right there.
I need you to lean that way.
Ooh.
Because I don't have no room to eat.
What?
Lean that way.
Lean on me. When you're not strong. Rib. We doing that.
Coming close to you.
I'm too close?
Yeah. Thank you. This peach punch by Minute Maid, oh my god, it's so good. It's just that good. That.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to try it.
You ain't drinking my juice.
Oh, these self-made right here?
Yeah, self drink that.
Alright.
Pull this bread off.
That was mine.
Why was it over here then? You put it over here?
I was done eating.
I need some more red.
I need some more of your sauce.
My sauce? Take this sauce. I don't need it. That's a whole bowl full of the... Let me have some red.
Here's some red.
Thank you very much.
You want some more red? We got more red. I'll put it all on your plate. Yeah.
I wonder what it's doing outside right now.
This
Like,
remind me.
is it gonna get worse?
Huh?
Remind you what, babe?
Well, I took one of my little thotties out.
Aw.
To Longhorn.
Aw.
Now I brought one of my little thotties to the Longhorn.
No, I brought
Say
you.
no.
It's the difference. Brought you, my little thotty. To the Longhorn, bought you a nice, meal and stuff.
Oh, okay. Mmm.
A little thot.
I'm your little thot.
Yes.
Okay.
Spaz it up. Is that the word?
Whatever this sauce is, it's mine.
I feel like I should have got ribs too.
It's like a sweet tangy.
But it's got a little bit of sauce. And what remind you of that when we go to what is it called?
Forget all that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
And follow us on our social media. The link will be in the description down below. And DM us. Thank you guys. Babe, I'm about to knock you out. Move your elbow. You don't need all of this space. Excuse me.
Continue.
What was I saying? Oh, I don't remember. I'm so tired now. I'm not full though, but I'm tired. Oh.
I understand, but
So
if you also read the menu properly, then you will understand what ingredients.
It's also
specials
it might fall on me.
The chef has in this menu.
Just a
Shut up.
say it one more time. Go ahead.
One more time. Say it with your chest.
I was gonna say that after you said it.
But anyway.
Alright guys.
I'm pretty stuffed.
We are very, very full.
But I'm still eating asparagus.
I'm not ready for this stinky pee. But hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed listening to us ramble about our day and our food and munching like that. Baby, you close your mouth while you eating. But make sure that you like this video.
Bam.
And give it that thumbs. Forget, if you have watched the full video, let us know what you have had from Longhorn and if it was that good or if it was worth even trying. And stay tuned for SNS.
SNS, shorty. Make sure you stay tuned to all the videos. You feel me? Look at the link in the description. Everything is gonna be description, man.
Description, man.
Say nah, but yeah. Stay tuned for the next video.
Next video.
Love all 546 Longhorn. What is Longhorn considered? Steakhouse. Both. We're the steakhouse, but ain't no steak. We got ribs and pork chops instead. But let us know what you want to see next, man.
Yes.
Stay tuned. I'm full. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Alright.
See you guys in the next video.
Bye. Description, man.
Say nah, but yeah. Stay tuned for the next video.
Next video.
Love all 546,100 of y'all. But yeah, you know what I mean.
4,600 of y'all. Can we get to that number,
it
please?
Just sounds good. But yeah, boom. Subscribe and share.
Oh, also.
Let us know what mukbang I want to see us do next. You feel me? Boom. We're the steakhouse, but ain't no steak. We got ribs and pork chops instead. But let us know what you want to see next, man.
Yes.
Stay tuned. I'm full.